Violet TV. How may I help you?
Hi! Special delivery for Cassandra Gray.
Thank you! I don't need to introduce myself, or?
Oh, this is my favorite. This is my favorite thing. Ooh, sexy, spicy. Oh my God. Beautiful, high quality tissue, I might add. I mean, I just am winging it, you know?
Yeah. All right, let's do it again.
Cassandra, interview. Take one.
Here it is, Violet Gray's Violet Box for holiday. I'm Cassandra Gray, founder of Violet Gray. Legendary, iconic, perfect white box. It comes with this pamphlet. Put my glasses on. We put together a collection of our buzziest launches, our hardest working, most glamorous, new classics, and absolute favorites this season. New obsessions. Let's see what we have. All right, You Beauty, which is Tina Craig. This is the Plasma Lip Compound, and it really combats chapped lips and makes those dewy, fresh, youthful lips. And it's chic looking. The next thing is Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is like pretty major. And this one I know she was super excited about because it combats hyperpigmentation. We might want to warn everybody that this could take a long time. This one in particular is what we launched this year. So Dr. Tony Nakla, and this is the Resurfacing Tonic. I'm not gonna say is a better version of the P50, but I'm not saying it's not a better version of the P50. Okay, so then we have Philip Kingsley Density. Preserving Scalp Foam. Check out our trusted little pamphlet. Our texture is more defined. Our roots are lifted, and we are basically guaranteed to have a good hair day. Guaranteed good hair day. I mean, this box is epic. It's $295, but it has an over $600 retail value. This is the best gift that you could buy this holiday season. Let's see what this one is. The new obsession from the Nue Co. The new. So the Nue Co. Sugar Stress. Oh, I know about this one. This one is to combat sugar cravings. So if you have a sweet tooth, this is for you. Okay, Hanacure is less like a face wash and more like a sensorial journey. This luxurious whipped balm transforms into a silky lather that whisks away makeup and toxins. This is really well written. We have such good writers at Violet Gray. Ooh. This is the Vital Pressed Skincare Powder. I tried this. I love it. By far the best packaging. I would pay $200 just for this. Oh no, I take it back. It's Victoria Beckham and Westman-Atelier for the win for packaging. She made these magical wands so that civilians also can have her smoky eye. Ooh. We still have more. We still have like a lot more. Oh, the Mother Exfoliating Body Bar that I also use on my face. I just love a bar of soap. You know, if you can walk around naked and feel good about yourself, this is really the life. This one is called Aroma in Oil. Sexy, spicy, and earthy. All in one little thing. Okay. Oh my God. New obsession. All right, there's still 2 more things in here. We always get in trouble for treating this like our favorite, but this is the Eyebrow and Lash Enhancing Serum to end all eyebrow and lash enhancing serums. Oh, I like the blue on the inside. If you don't have this, you should go and buy it on its own, or of course buy the whole box and then you'll get it for half the price. Okay, this is Master Radiance Base. There is no wrong way to use this little pot of gold. I mean, must have, new obsession. This is crazy, this box. It is so much Everything is, it's like the Tiffany's box, basically. That wraps episode 42 of Unboxing with Violet Grey, the Violet Box Edition for the holiday season. Okay, until next time. Bye. Thank you. Do you want to buy the box? I want to buy the box.